So Josephine, why are there two mysteries here?
Well, for one, you call when you return n minus mystery of n minus 1.
Yep.
So that would probably call mystery and passing in the int value of 2.
Exactly. And
And
what do we call that kind of method call?
it's a recursive method.
Exactly. So Adam, you want to try it again?
Sure.
And try it again. Okay, keep going. Keep going. Okay, so what is the value of n here?
So now the value of n is 0.
Right, and you can tell that by looking up here where the variables are shown, right? Now, in terms of where we are in the call stack, we're at the highlighted version of mystery here, but I can go backwards in time to see what happened at the previous call and the one before that, and so on. And as I do that, the value of n over here is changing, right, from 3 to 2 to 1. And in this particular call, n has the value
0.
0. So go ahead and step again and let's see what happens. Okay, and step again. And then keep stepping until we see the output. You see that the stack here is unwinding. These methods are all returning. And keep going. And yeah, there we go. So down here it printed the value 2. So this was okay in terms of seeing what the computer was executing, but we never got a chance to see what value n minus mystery of n minus 1 was. And this is a common problem in trying to debug a program. So what I'd like to do is to go back to the source code. How would I allow myself to see this value? What you're able to do is to step line by line, right? And there is no line that just computes that value. So what I'd like to do is instead of returning it directly, I'm going to capture it into something I'll call answer, and then I'll return answer. So in this program, I have a new variable answer, which will capture that value, and as we step through line by line, we'll be able to see it. So let's see how that works. Let's run this on the debugger again. And the breakpoint you set is still valid.
Okay.
Okay. So go ahead and do step over a number of times till we get to the return part.
Okay.
Okay. Keep going. Okay, aha. Here, we finally were able to compute the answer, and the answer of the deepest recursive call was been computed, and what is that value?
1.
1. And so keep stepping, and we'll see the one above that. One more time. And the answer there is
1.
1 again. Keep going. Okay, now the answer is 2. And I believe that's a value that's going to be returned and printed.
Okay.
So this allows us to see in greater detail exactly how the recursion works and which values are being returned by the recursion.